Hello everyone. Today we try to understand the reason behind hand flapping. In two ways, our body sends information to the brain. One of them is whole body awareness. It means information from all joints movement of our body also reach to the brain. This is also called joint awareness or proprioception. Our brain works according to this joint awareness or body awareness. But in autism, when body and joints information is not correctly registered in the brain, then body schema in the brain will not develop. When the body schema is not developed, then brain may have two types of problem. First, due to lack of body awareness, brain can't understand its own movement. Then dysfunction of gross motor movement or dysfunction of fine motor movement will occur. And sometimes kid moves his body in wrong way because he doesn't have control on his movement. Second, body and joints are not sending full information to the brain. Suppose my body is sending only half of the required information to my brain. Then how my brain will react? Number one, my brain won't have proper control on my feet and hands. And number two, my brain will try to take remaining half of the information unnecessarily. If there is unnecessary requirement of the information of the brain in my body and my hand is also not sending correct information to the brain, then my brain will make unnecessary movement of the hand to get more information. When the brain need more information through an abnormal way of hand movement, then it is called hand flapping. Severity of the hand flapping depends on kids' brain and body connection. It means how much control they have on each other. Some kids flap their hand in normal way, but some kids flap their hands very fast. Maybe if we try to do the same, we will get problem in our wrist. Some kids' brain doesn't register their joints awareness. That's why they hit the hard surface with their hands joints. And sometimes they hit their head or sometimes they hit their chin. So, severity of the hand flapping is very much dependent upon kids' brain and body connections. Thank you.